Hi everybody, Sam here from Frugalisama with the two final prize reveals for So Frugal 22. So Frugal 22 is a challenge that I'm running on Instagram along with Ruan, the Yorkshire Sew Girl, and today is reveal day. So far we've had over 500 entries, so it's been absolutely amazing. Thank you so much to everybody who's joined in. It will take us a little bit of time to compile all these entries, so bear with us. I think it's going to be around about Sunday before we get everybody onto a spreadsheet and sorted. So bear with us. Ruan's also got COVID, so that's another little bit of a setback. So far I think she's feeling okay, but it's just time will tell, I think, on that one. So I hope you'll all join me in wishing her speedy recovery, and just bear with us. So on to today's prize reveal. I've got two for you. One is for UK only contestants and the other one is open to everybody internationally. And just a quick note on the international ones. When we say that the prizes are open internationally, what we mean is it's open to everybody. We're not excluding UK residents for that one. Some prizes are going to be quite heavy to post, so we've had to sort of segregate those onto UK only prizes. But some of the sponsors have been very generous and said that they are quite prepared to pay for the postage. I know some people have said that they're happy to pay for the postage, but it would just be too complicated for Rowan and I to sort through all those entries and say to somebody, you've won this, do you want to pay for postage? And if they say no, then we're going to have to put it back in the hat. So we're keeping it as simple as we can for the moment. Right, so on to today's prize reveals. So the first one is UK only, and that is from B&M Fabrics. That's a local fabric store to us. It's based in Leeds, which is West Yorkshire. Very generously put together a little package of a vintage sewing pattern, some cotton sateen fabric to sew it up with, and all the notions and haberdashery that you need to sew it. So I thought that was a lovely one and a bit of a surprise because we don't know what the pattern is or what the fabric is. So it'd be a nice surprise for someone with that one. Second one is from Vicky Sews. So just as a caveat now, I'm well aware that Vicky Sews is a Russian pattern designer. When Cara at So Mad was featuring some of her patterns, somebody just said they thought it was a little bit insensitive. So I'm just going to say now that this prize has been organised by Alyssa, who is Sloths and Orchids over on Instagram and YouTube. She is actually Ukrainian, living in the UK. She did want us to go ahead with this prize. Although the prize was arranged before the Russians invaded Ukraine, she did want us to go ahead with this prize. Only because she's worked very closely with Vicky, she's got a good working relationship with her. And as she says, Vicky is not a massive corporation, she's an independent pattern designer, not supporting somebody who supports the war. And she does have a lot of Ukrainian women working for her, including Alyssa. She works alongside Alyssa doing the translating. So if you've got anything nasty to say, keep it to yourself. I will block people if they're going to say anything snippy or snipey. So that out of the way, I'll get on with the prize. So the prize is a sewing course for the Gira top. The Gira top is a bustier top, so very close fitting obviously. White shoulder straps, it's got princess seams with boning down the front and I think the boning in the back, a zip at the back, and then it's got a lovely curved hem. So the course includes all the instructions in order to do it. It does say it's an advanced course, does this. I think it's great because it's a concise course, it's got all the information you need there, a good one to expand your sewing skills. So the course includes the pattern and all the video instructions that you need. And then I think there's some little adaptations like adding bust cups and some little alterations. Also there's instructions there to make a tailor's ham within it, and going through the toiling process and then getting a really good fit, so really useful for somebody who's wanting to expand their sewing skills. So that's a really great prize. Vicky Sews has got lots of free patterns over on her website as well. She's got 3 women's patterns and she's got 3 children's patterns and a man's pattern on there. So the women's patterns are the Nikki top, which is an oversized sweatshirt designed for knits. She's got the Thelma dress, which again is designed for knits, and that's a boat neck dress, very slim fitting with a split. The Milan dress is all ruffles, really pretty little summer dress is that one, and got ties at the back. Then she's got the Vicky dress with a gathered skirt and then ruffles along the princess seams. So some really pretty women's patterns. The 3 children's patterns are pyjamas for girls and boys. Then there is a little polo neck top called the Eric top, which is like a polo top for a little boy. 2 sleeve options on that one. That goes from 3 years to age 13. and then a little dress for a girl. So that's just like a dropped waist with a gathering into the skirt. The man's top is the Johnny hoodie. There's some very interesting wording on the description on that one, which I don't know what it means, but a zipped hoodie basically with pockets. So some fab free prizes there for you to have a look at. The beauty of Vicky So's patterns are that she drafts for different heights. So she has 4 different heights available there. You pick your height and then you pick your size. So her size range goes from 34 to 52, that's European sizes, which is 80 centimetres to 116 centimetres in the bust, which is 31.5 inch to 45.5 inch bust, and that goes up to 122 centimetre hip, which is 48 inches. If you are interested in any of her patterns, she currently has 30% off at the moment, and they're just already applied over on her website, and they are really cheap anyway. And she currently has a little giveaway over on Instagram as well, so I think she's giving away 3 patterns, so I'll leave all that below in the description box. So if you're wondering what I'm wearing today, I've got the Harper cardigan on to keep me nice and snug. It's been snowing outside, and the Plantain tee. So that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed discovering all the new pattern designers and some new vloggers to watch, and I will be back soon with the prize reveals. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.